welcome to our channel. Today we have came from a new trick how to do the divide of the bigger number using the divisibility test. What do you mean by the divisibility test? Divisibility test means dividing the number in very shortcut method, which means in a competitive exam they are asking, they are giving the bigger number and they are giving the option which number is divided by this greater number, what the number is, okay, 2, 8, 9, 10, 18, okay. So this trick is going to tell you how to find out the numbers in very easy or shortcut way, and this method is also less time taking method, okay. So now we will see to our second divisibility test. So friends, we are going to see the divisibility test of the second divisibility test, okay. So what is the second divisibility test? A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is divisible by 02468. If its unit digit is 02468, which means a number carrying its unit digit 02468, which means see, if we will see 210, its unit digit is carrying 0. If we will rub this and we will write here, we will write 6, that this number is divisible by 6. For example, see, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then this is cut and becomes 0, 1, 0, then 16, 2 8 are 16. You see, this number is divisible by 2. If there will be no 02468, now this 2 can't be divisible by that number. For example, if we will take here 7, it won't be divisible. See, we are going to show you, okay. See, 2 170, which means what we will do now, we will write 2 ones are 2, divisible 0, 1, then 17 it will become, okay. So tell me which number is divisible by this 17? 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18. So which number is divisible by this 17? 2 8 is 16, 1. Now this 1 came. So if we will take point, so friends, reminder came 1, and if we will take here point, then it will cut fully. So we have to not take in points. So that's why the number is divisible by 02468. Okay, so the divisibility test of 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0 to 8. Okay, now we will show you the third divisibility test. So friends, come to our third divisibility test. What is the divisibility test? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum is divisible by 3. What is our third divisibility test? A number is divisible by 3 if its sum is divisible by 3. What do you mean? A number, see, 216. Okay, 216 will take a number. Then we have to do its sum, which means 2 plus 1 plus 6. Then what will the sum will come? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. So this 9 is divisible by 3, no? Yes. So this 216, this number is divisible by 3. That time. See another example. See like that. We will take 300. We will take 307. Okay. Then 314. 3 plus 1 plus 7. Then what will become? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11. So this 11 is not divisible by 3. So this 317 is not divisible by 3. Now we will go to the. So friends, the number is too many big. So if the sum is divisible by 3, so the biggest number is also divisible by 3. See that 6 plus 6. See. 6 to 8, then 8 and 16, then 67. Too much big. So if we will find out this sum, 6 plus 2 plus this 8 plus 7 plus 1. So 6 to 8, 8 16, 16, 7 is what? 16, 7 is 22 and 67 is 22 and 20. So the friends, it will be 23, then plus 1 it will become 24. Okay, the sum is 24. So it is divisible by 3. So friends, we are now going to see the fourth divisibility test. If a number is divisible, if the last two numbers, unit and tens digit of a number are exactly divisible by 4, digit of a number are zeros or exactly divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Okay. So see example, we see example. See example number Example first. What will be 7588? Okay. So we are going to see the last tens and unit digit of the number, which means tens and unit digit of number. What are they? 88 and 88. Okay. So we have to divide this 88 by 4. What we are going to do? We are going to divide this 88 by 4, which means what will come? It will come. Now we have divided this. So this number is divisible by this 4. See. Then we will divide 4. 74,088. 4 1 is 4. 34. Now what? This 34. Which table is having 34? 8 4 is 32. 28. 7 4 is 20. Sorry. So friends, now we'll divide this number 7,488. 488. So when we will divide this number with 4, what will our answer be able to come? 4 1 is 4. Then it will come 3. 34. Then 8 4 is 32. 2 8. 7 4 is 28. Cutted. This 8 drop down here. Then 4 2s are 8. It becomes 0. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay, I have shown you this by dividing, but without dividing. Friends, I have shown you by dividing, but if you have learned this divisibility test without dividing, you will know how to do this divisibility. If the option is given 3 4 or 3 4 or 7, so you can know this number is divisible by only 7. This trick is very useful for that type. Friends, our next is 5 divisibility test. So we are going to write the 5 divisibility test now. Okay. So what is the 5 divisibility test? A number is divisible by 5 if the numbers unit digit is what we have written here. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is, what its unit digit is? 0 or 5. What means a number is given, for example, we will see 2015. Okay. 0 and 5. Okay. See example. Okay. So this example, what this example is showing? What example is saying? 2,01,505, which means this number is divisible by 5 or not. What is our divisibility test? A number is divisible by 5 if the number's unit digit is 0 or 5, which means this 5 is at its unit digit now. This is its unit digit. This is its unit digit. So this 5 is divisible by this. Okay. For example, we will show and divide you. We have shown you the divisibility test of 5. Now we are going to show you the divisibility test of 6. Okay. Now what is the divisibility test of 6? What is the divisibility test of 6? A number is divisible by 6. By 6 what? It is written a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by, what is written here? A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by what? If the number is divisible by 2 or 3, which means a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 or 3, which means the number is given, such as example we will take 2,13,000. We will take, yes, the number is 4272. Okay. So now what we have to do? 4272 is a number. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to see this number is divisible by 2 or 3. Both we have to see. what we have to see. So we will not do this time divide. We will not do this time divide. Okay. We will do by our mind. We will do by the divisibility test. 2. And this is divisible by 2 if it is unit digit is 02468. Now we will see its unit digit is 2. It is divisible by 2. Okay. It is over now. 2 is divisible by this 2 is divisible by this number. Now we will see 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum is divisible by 3. Okay. So now we will do the sum. 4 plus 2 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 2 15. It's over. What is the answer? The sum is came 15. So this sum is also divisible by 3 now. This sum is divisible by 3. Okay. So this 6. This number is divisible by 6. Okay. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So we have seen that its unit digit is 2. It is also divisible by 2. Its sum is 15. So it is also divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. Okay. Now we will move to our 7th divisibility test. Friends, now let's see our 7th divisibility test. What is our 7th divisibility test? If the difference between twice the last digit, the number formed by other digits is either 0 or the multiple of 7. Okay. So we will see an example. Then you will catch what is given in the 7th. We will take example 7854. Okay. This it is 4. Okay. So what is given in the if the difference between twice the last digit, twice the digit means twice the digit, okay. So what we will do? 4 into 2, it is 8. What the number left? Now we will not take this 4. Okay, this 4 is to come here. What is our left number is 785. The left digit. Okay. Then what is given the last digit and the number formed by either 0 digit or either 0 or a number. Difference we have to take out now. What we will do? We will 785 is the number. Then 785 minus this 8. When we will subtract 785 by 8, what will come? It will come 777. Okay. So this number 777 is divisible by 7. Yes or no? It is divisible by 7. Now 111. Okay. So this 7854 is divisible by 7. By this trick, you will know how to divide this number by 7. Okay, this divisibility test is very useful of 7. That the bigger numbers you can also know that divisibility test. Okay, friends. Now we will see the 8th divisibility test. So friends, now we will take the divisibility test of the 8th divisibility test. We are going to see the divisibility test of 8. Why are we going to see? We are going to see the divisibility test of 8. Okay. So what is the divisibility test of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Okay, what is the divisibility test of the 8? The divisibility test of the 8 is a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, which means we will see the last 3 digit of that number, then we can know, then we will divide the number, then we can know the number is divisible by 8 or not. So we are going to show you an example. Now we are going to take one example. What is the example? 7432. Okay. What is the example? 7432. So in the divisibility test, what the divisibility test has told us that we have to see the last 3 digits number. 3 digit number with these 3 digit numbers. 100, 10th and unit digit. Okay. So we will take 432. we will take 432. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this 432 number by this 8. Okay. So if we will divide this 8 by 432, 8, this 4 is not divisible by 8, no? So what we will take? We will write it 432 divisible by 8. Okay. So 8 was a 40. 8 6 friends. Now we will divide this 432 by this 8. 8 was the 40. These 3 came down. This 0 and 32. Okay. Now what is the remainder? 32. Then 8 4s are 32. Now this number is completely divisible by 54 now. So this is the number that this number is divisible by the 8. Okay. That this 7432 number is divisible by 8. Now we will go and show you the ninth divisibility test. Now we are going to find out the ninth divisibility test, the divisibility test of 9. The divisibility test of 9 is very simple. It is like the 3's divisibility test. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum is divisible by 9. So in the third divisibility test, we are knowing that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum is also divisible by 3. So this ninth divisibility test is also the a number is divisible by 9 if the sum is divisible by 9. What? The sum is divisible by 9. Okay. This is our statement. What is the divisibility test of 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum is also divisible by 9. So we are going to see one example. So friends, our example is 9,85,482. Okay. So this is the example of 9. So what we have to do, now we are going to find the sum of this number. Okay. So let's find out the sum. What we are going to find out the sum. Okay. So 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. Okay. Now what is the term? 9 plus 8 17. 17 plus 5 22. 22 plus 4 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 2 is 36. What is the sum? It is 36. So so friends, this 36 is divisible by 6 or 9 or not? It is divisible. See, 9 divided by 36 is divisible by 9, then it will come 4. So this number 9,85,480. So friends, this number is divisible by 9. This 9,85,482. Now we are going to see the 10th divisibility test. So friends, now we are going to take the divisibility test of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the sum is also if a number is divisible by 10 if it is divisible by if the unit digit is 0. Okay. So what? A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is divisible by if its unit digit is 0. Okay. So what? For example, we will see 4,630. Its unit digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. See? No, we will not do this type of. So friends, our example about 4,630. So divide 10, 10, 10, 0, 0 cancel, 4 and 63. So this number is divisible by 10. It's simple. So friends, now we are going to find out the divisibility test of 11. 11 is divisibility test. A number is divisible by 11 if it's odd and even sum. If an odd and even different is divisible by 11. See, a number is divisible by 11 if it's odd and even sum is divisible by 11 by 7 by 11. Okay, now we will going to show you an example. So it is 11 or 0. It is divisible by 11 or 0. So we will take one example. What are we going to take one example? Example 9262. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take out the sum of the odd and even place. Odd place we will write odd place. Then even place. Okay. So that odd place or even place. So friends, now we are going to find out the odd and even place. Odd place is 2 and 2. The odd place is 2 plus 2. Now what? We are going to sum of 9 plus 6. Okay. Then the sum of the 9 and 6 is 15. And the sum of 2 and 2 is 4. Okay. So now what we have to write? We have to write the difference also. We will do the difference also. What is the difference? For finding out the difference, we will subtract this. 15 minus 4 is 11. So this 11 is divisible by 11. Okay. So this number 9262 is divisible by 11. Now we are going to find out the divisibility test of 25. So friends, now we are going to take out the 11th divisibility test. The divisibility test is a number is divisible by 11 if its odd and even place sum is differ by 11 or 0 or multiple of the 11. So we will take one example to understand this 11th divisibility test. What is 9262? Okay. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And this is 4. Okay. So now we have created odd and even places. So we will write here sum of odd places. Then we will write sum of even places. Okay. So now what? First is our odd number and 3 is our odd. So 2 and 2 is our odd number. Okay. 2 plus 2 we will write. 9 is equals to 2. And 2 and 4 is our even number. 6 and 9. 6 plus 9. So it's equals 2 plus 2 what? It is 4. 9 plus 6, 15. Okay. This 15. Now write differ. Differ means difference, friends. Okay. Differ means difference. Okay. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So this divisibility test work. This number is divisible by 11. Friends, please like and share our video to your family member and those who are studying for their competitive exams, and subscribe to our channel for getting this type of new tricks.